Wants to know the answer to, is it going to be a white Christmas? Well, for some of us it could well be. The last time we had a white Christmas or reported a white Christmas was 2001, but there were only a few flakes falling then. 1995 was our last bumper year. For example, we had 13 centimetres of snow lying in Aberdeen. Well, this year I don't think we'll see quite as much as that, but there's a good chance of it being a white Christmas in Scotland and northern England. Less of a chance as you come further south, but of course it is 6 days away. Things can still change and often do. Now back to today, we've got high pressure that's been nudging its way in, and that's been settling everything down. We had some sleet, some snow this morning in the southwest. That has now disappeared, and for many it will be dry and fine, but it has left a legacy. In the southwest we've got some flood warnings out, 8 of them, and 1 in southern area. The floodline number you may want to keep handy, 0845 988 1188. So for this afternoon, for many it's essentially dry and also sunny. There will be some showers down the eastern side, particularly coming into Kent. They may fall as sleet and snow, and so too in the northwest of Scotland. But for many, a dry sunny day, but a rather chilly one, particularly if you are in the southeast and also along the south coast, because the winds really have been quite gusty. It really is feeling bitterly cold. Now the temperatures today, well, only getting up to around 6 or 7 degrees in the south, but that wind really taking the edge off that. Across Scotland, we'll hear the temperatures really struggling because of the snowfields there. Perhaps some places not getting above freezing through today. Elsewhere, temperatures around 3 to 4 degrees. Now this evening the temperatures will fall away quite quickly due to high pressure. Last night we had -15 in Scotland. We could have -13, -14 again for a time, but with a change, this band of rain, sleet and also snow will work its way in from the west by the end of the night. And the problem with all this is it's going to be falling on some very frozen ground. A really cold night tonight, -4, -6 across the heart of England and Wales. Even when we see the temperatures rising across Scotland and Northern Ireland, they'll still be below freezing. So that means one thing, ice. Lots of ice. The worst of it, I think, is likely to be across most areas, Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland, northwest England and also North Wales. So a rather tricky rush hour, it has to be said, for the morning. That band of rain, sleet and snow will gradually move its way southwards through the day. It may take a time to get into southeast England and East Anglia, and behind it will turn brighter with showers. Some of those could be rather wintry, particularly over the higher ground. The top temperatures, well, similar to today, but at least we won't have that biting wind in the south. Now, talking of wind, the winds are set to change direction in the middle of the week. They will start to come westerly, and that's a milder direction, but only for a time. Look what happens as we head through to the end of Thursday. The winds will swing around northerly. So for Tuesday, we'll start to see rain coming in late on in the day. So for many, it will be a fairly dry and fine day. The winds picking up, though, particularly in the northwest, and they'll be with us Tuesday night into Wednesday as well. Gale force, perhaps even severe gale force. So Wednesday, a wet day, certainly across England and Wales, turning brighter with just 1 or 2 showers. Then into Thursday, we have more rain in the south and a weak band further to the north. And it's behind that that we'll start to see the colder air coming in. So rather cloudy across Scotland and Northern Ireland. And then Thursday night, a chilly one to come. So it's all change this coming week. It will get milder for a time, windy and wet midweek, and then colder again in time for Christmas. Happy Christmas.